But there was a time when it was just, you come with your little story and you tell them what happened to you this week and how God has saved you and carried you through. And everybody used to bring a little thing, them call it potluck nowadays. Everybody bring a little thing and then share it. But some people can't really cook, so some of them is lucky if you get through with that food there. But God is a good God, amen? They go before the Lord in prayer. And they say, Lord, I need a husband. And has one new man turn up in a church. They say, Lord, is him that. Sometimes I know him. Don't worry. The Bible said the man will find a good wife. So don't stop look. Make him find me. Because he might find a good thing. Amen? I've been married now for 17 years and I love my wife. I don't know about anybody else. I love my wife. And I'm a pastor, she is not no first lady. She is the only lady because some of them have first, second, third, and fourth. But I love my wife. I love her so much that if any day she decides to leave me, I go with her. Yes. God is a good God. Amen? Really make things bad with that much still, And most of us here are Jamaicans. You understand? We don't make things bad if we get up, we go work same way and we come home same way. Why? Because we have to pay for the car and we have to pay for the house. This is why we come to foreign. To make sure we have a car and make sure we have a house. You understand? So we don't really put things on in this about 5:30, sleep a blind me. Yo, we just call you up because we don't really want to bother you, we don't want to talk long. But we just tell us we want a $200 to fix my car. I said, how you call me and bad me up so? Like me have to give you. So we say, listen, we don't have $200 right now, we can send $50. Listen, hear him now, listen. Me is a hard-working youth. Me take care of my family and everybody. Me don't want nobody sorry for me. Understand? If you don't have it, you don't have it. You know this all them attitude. When it done here, so you give me 50 still.
I can't take it anymore.
This is what we have to deal with.
I can't take it anymore.
This is what we have to deal with. I promise you. Some people live and they die and nothing comes out of it. I promise you, ladies and gentlemen, I plan to be alive and I know that God will use every person who asks him to be alive to be alive. I want to encourage people all the time, in every way, in every single way possible. So every time I'm somewhere, I leave with an encouragement. Amen? So I have an encouragement. This encouragement is for the ladies. God is a good God. Ladies, for the love of Jesus, listen to this encouragement. Stop. Listen to me, I say. Stop. Use gel and pierce down your adult ear and call it baby ear.